Tired of your marketing messages disappearing into the digital abyss? Let's unlock the power of Aisensy and turn it into your personalized advertising launchpad. First, log into your Aisensy account. Look for the Advertising or Campaigns section, usually located on the main dashboard or sidebar. Click on it to get started. Now, define your campaign objective. What do you want to achieve? Are you driving traffic to your website, generating leads, or boosting brand awareness? Select the option that best aligns with your goals. Next up is targeting. Aisensy offers robust options to pinpoint your ideal audience. Refine your target audience by demographics like age and gender, interests, location, and even their online behavior. The more precise your targeting, the better your results will be. It's time to create your ad. Craft compelling copy that grabs attention and clearly communicates your offer. Upload eye-catching visuals that resonate with your target audience. Don't forget a strong call to action button, telling people exactly what you want them to do, like shop now or learn more. Now, set your budget and schedule. Determine how much you're willing to spend daily or in total, and define the time frame for your campaign. Aisensy will help you estimate the reach based on your budget. Before launching, preview your ad. Double-check everything: the visuals, the text, the targeting, to ensure it's perfect. Finally, track your results. Aisensy provides detailed analytics to monitor your campaign's performance. Keep a close eye on key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your campaigns for even better results. Now you're ready to amplify your reach and grow your business with Aisensy ads.